Now, still to come, we meet a socialite who found her social conscience. But next, a video killed the radio star. What's killing telly?
All of my friends are doing it. Either they're doing it, getting it off me, getting it, because we'll just get certain episodes. Some of us will get sci-fi, some of us will get comedy kind of thing, you know.
Okay, sit up, watch and listen, because this could be your last chance. Television, we're told, is on its last legs. It seems we're about to be superseded. So, what's killing it? Well, you've probably guessed it, the internet, and more importantly, the worldwide explosion of downloading almost anything that can be seen or heard. It's simple and it's free. Why are we advertising this? Brian Seymour explains, with the help of two people who've swapped their telly for their PC.
The choice is infinite. The technology is simple. And it's free.
The 18th of October 2004 is the day that historians will state that television died.
You see something on the internet, you want to download it straight away. Where you see something on Sky that's coming soon, you know, you could wait months for it to come.
He's talking to us anonymously because what he's doing is illegal. This self-confessed internet junkie is one of thousands of Kiwis who've already seen episodes of Lost, yet to screen here.
Anyway, you don't understand, man. You don't have any idea. Now get in there!
Not to mention Nip Tuck and the new series sweeping America, Prison Break.
The only difference between us and them is the badge.
If the police were looking for people doing this, could they find you?
They could, but they'd have to be really, really tricky about it, and New Zealand laws say they can't track me.
Beyond that, police simply don't have the time or manpower to stop this. In the old days, one computer served information to the internet. Now we have bit torrents, bits of information on thousands of different computers. Put together, they form a mighty torrent of information.
I'll take the beginning part from here, I'll take the middle part from here, I'll take the end part from here, and I'll collate them when they're all on my computer together.
This lecture, given a year ago in Sydney, was downloaded that way, along with TV shows, homemade videos, documentaries, movies, anything that can be watched or listened to.
Theirs is usually a graceful parade.
It's more of a convenience than anything, because working night shifts and things like that, I come home in the morning when I watch something, things that aren't on here, which are a huge thing. Ads piss me off like hell. I just can't stand ads, because it makes the program twice as long kind of thing.
Ah yes, ads. But they pay for the programs to be made. Nothing is free. Yet anyone with broadband can do this. So can the program makers find a way to make money out of it?
It sounds like the biggest criminal ring in the history of mankind, because this is illegal, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
Do you feel bad?
To an extent, but I would support these people. Like, if I like the season, I'll go out and still buy the DVD and that kind of thing, so they're still getting their kind of money as such, but what are they earning off watching it on television?
The biggest money earners from hit shows are the broadcasters, who sell the ads. In the near future, bitcasting, as it's called, will cut out these middlemen. How? See that little ad in the top left of the screen? Add to that things like product placement in programs, ads on the websites you download from, and there's billions waiting to be made.
What have you got set up here?
Basically what we have is a full functional media centre, home entertainment system.
Not far away, another web watcher has set up his Xbox to play everything through the telly in the lounge.
This is an episode of Lost.
This is an episode of Lost. This is high definition, surround sound. We don't even get that broadcast over our television network.
So how does this compare to what you get on TV?
This compares a hell of a lot better.
Is it hard?
No, it's not hard. It's about as hard as learning to use a program. I mean, they're not very technical programs, but they can be used very simply.
So the average family out there watching this, very accessible?
Yeah, very accessible. I mean, most people are pretty quick to pick up things like this, and it's not very hard. It doesn't take a lot of time to learn, no.
Australia has the highest rate of bitcasting in the world, and we're not far behind.
How many people do you know doing the same thing?
Pretty much everyone I know. All of my friends are doing it. Either they're doing it, getting it off me, getting it, because we'll just get certain episodes. Some of us will get sci-fi, some of us will get comedy kind of thing, you know.
I mean, you see the jump that we've made in the last 10 years, and it could even be sooner than that.
Well, the president turned to his experts at NASA and said, "Are we ready?"
We'd better be ready. For just as video killed the radio star, the internet is killing the video star.
They aren't paying for the programs. You know what they're paying for there? They're paying for choice. That's the difference. And when you have broadband, you have infinite choice. So how do cable and how does satellite compete with that?
And just a tip, if you've got kids, check if they're downloading, because it can turn out that it chews up all of your time that you've bought in terms of your broadband plan. And speaking of that, Brian tells us that depending on who your internet provider, your internet service provider is, it takes about 20 minutes to download an hour-long show, but that will speed up dramatically when and if Telecom unbundles its copper wire network.